Alrighty, so where I left off last video, I was just setting my plan for this repair. Got my two little divot marks in there. Got this piece slit disc off. Everything cleaned up there. Got the other pieces off, the other frame. Get ready to set that up. Line that up there. And wait a minute. What's going on here? Something isn't quite right. But if I put that down in there, oh, that's close, right? That's close. I'm guessing I could kind of fit that in. But over here, oh, that's way off. Here's my original mark there. That's up there. Original mark here. That's down here. What is going on? Control arm here is out in this here. I haven't touched that side, luckily. Control arm bolt here is inside here. So I think I shot myself in the foot. That is not going to work, and it's going to cause me a lot of work. So what I'm going to do is, my original thought when I was looking at the car is recapturing this hole, weld a piece in there with the shock mount hole, easy peasy. That'll be okay on that side because that's brackets on there, but over here I have to refab that up. So now I got to make something that's going to look, there's my divot marks. Yep. So it's got to look like that. Which I think I'm going to use a piece of channel I have here. Got to cut that out of there. And then put sides on it to match this. Oh, I should have really looked at that. Just got too excited. Everything seemed good from a distance, but not so good at this point. Because I got these. The set of coilovers. That top will go up through that hole in that plate. And this guy will sit up in there. Like that. And then it'll work with that plate in there. And a hole for the shock. Yep. Here we go. Take two, right? There you go.